we always believe music is probably the international language, and we're always seen as a musical nation. So it strikes me that, in the broad context of the 2016 celebration, the centenary of the 1916 Rising, that music needs to be a very important part of that. And, you can have all the words in the world, all the TV series and cinematic things, but, music is the one that really stirs the soul, gets the emotion flowing, really. I think you feel it most in your heart when you hear music. When they listen to this music, if they feel something that really sticks to them as being like profound and really with great meaning, that's what they're going to remember from 2016, and music is the only thing I believe that can do that. nDún was approached to write a text that would reflect, give some sense of the celebration that we're looking for here on Easter Sunday. And looking back over 100 years, a nation, Sean Davey then has been approached to take those words and create a musical showcase for this fantastically big choir, the RTE National Symphony Orchestra, and the event itself.